Even the best program falls flat without expert coaching. And in our experience, do-it-yourself training leaves you guessing, stalling progress and risking setbacks. With rapid response video coaching, you get a team of experts in your corner, delivering results worth your investment. See, a program is really just a blueprint. It's coaching that builds the results. And without guidance, you're left asking, is this working? Am I safe? We've seen it. Piecing it together yourself leads to frustration or worse, injury. Top athletes don't guess. Serena Williams' coach fine-tunes every move. And her success, it's coaching. It's not just talent. At Unity Gym, we bring that edge to your training. Fast, personal, proven. What makes our coaching special? It's our team. Every UMS coach has over 20 years of industry experience. They've walked the path, achieved the strength, mobility, and pain-free training that you're chasing. And they're fast. As I said earlier, our coaches respond within 24 hours with tailored feedback to perfect your form. No waiting weeks like other programs, no generic advice. Our experts guide you every session, every goal, saving you time, pain, and costly fixes like surgery. But even the best coaching falls short without accountability. And we've got some great ways to keep you accountable.